this is the machine it's put into stone in the temples in India for the creation of artificially human beings. Now, if you have the technology to the highest standards, you can create perfect human beings, but also if you don't dominate this at the highest standards, you can actually create monsters. So that's why people who do not understand lots of technical vocabulary, they say, oh, it's the forbidden technology. It's the forbidden wisdom of God, or the divine wisdom. It's forbidden just because of that, because if this goes into the wrong hands, you can create monsters. But if it goes into the good hands, you can create special, pure human beings with no problems and with no genetic problems. For those of you who want to dig deeper, there's this Dr. Greenberg, medical doctor. This is from the 50s. As you can see, 1955, a patent. You have the patent number in the United States of America. Artificial uterus, artificial womb, and they had this technology in the 50s. Obviously, they had it in the 50s in the 20th century because this existed way before, right? So it's nothing new under the sun, as we say. And even in the 50s, they could create, after the Second World War, they could create artificial humans, no problem. Artificial human being is something simple. You just take the masculine and the feminine cell, you do the fertilization inside a lab, and then you can make a human being. So we don't need to be created inside our mom's womb. So of course, that's natural creation, as you can say. We've seen this also in other civilizations. We've seen this even in the 19th century. As you know, our humanity has been artificially created in massive production areas. So there was a bunch of them in Russia and America and Europe and stuff, because they created human beings so they could start a new humanity, and then they destroyed. But that's too much for the big majority of the human population to understand today. And obviously movies in Hollywood, they show you this because that's predictive programming, so they're showing you the truth. It's just technology, and technology which is not understood by a human population, which is primitive, is called divine or magic. There's nothing magical or divine. It's just advanced technology and advanced science and advanced robots and advanced whatever. Lots of secrets still, but at least now you know